Rose! Welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch the interview with Much Music, and parang ang saya nila dito. So, I miss Beanie sa pagiging makulit nila at pagiging chaotic nila. So, I think isa to sa mga content at interview nila na makulit sila. Dali! At lahat sila ay nagtatawanan dito. So, I am so curious with this. Kaya naman, panoorin natin to. Ano ba nangyari dito? At lahat sila nakangiti. Alright, so let's go. Let's watch it. So, Beanie wants to meet this artist at Coachella 2026. So, sasabihin din pala nila dito. Oh, well, alam naman natin yung mga gusto nilang makakolab at yung mapanood nila ng live sa Coachella. So, let's do this.
You're gonna make fun of me for doing this, eh?
Ang saya talaga nila.
Hi, I'm Colette. Hi, I'm Gwen. Hi, I'm Sheena. Hi, I'm Mika. I'm Maloy. I'm Joanna. I'm Stacy. And we are Beanie.
Is Aswang real?
Aswang!
Yeah.
Oh my god. You're looking at it beside you. Aswang.
Wait lang. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Umpisa pa lang. The host or the interviewer is asking Beanie questions. Like that. Okay. So, sige. Napakabilis ng mga pangyayari. Let's do this.
Yeah.
I believe it's true.
Me too, I believe.
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah, from stories.
Oh, if they believe in Aswang. Okay. Alright.
From our
Especially in the
from our
province.
and Lola.
Yeah.
Especially from our Lolo and from our Lola. They have a lot. No, from our Lolo and Lola. From our grandparents.
From my
they have
ama and
a lot of stories about tikbalang, multo, aswang.
Sige, sana
Kapre,
kayanin ng
kapre.
interviewer natin, no?
Duwende.
Duwende.
Oh.
Joanna.
They say there's a lot in Sigihor.
I love stuff like that. Like I watch a lot of like conspiracy theory, like stuff like that. So when my mom was telling me about that, I haven't been able to go to Philippines.
Okay. I think he is a Filipino too. I mean, maybe he has a blood of a Filipino or pure Filipino that grew up in the US. So he's curious. Okay.
Maybe 10 years. I plan to go next year actually.
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Not to find the Aswang, but like
I think it's a normal.
If
it's
you
a
watch
normal
Jessica
here.
Soho.
Yeah, you should watch Jessica
Rated
Soho.
Gay.
Jessica Soho.
Yeah, Jessica
I have to
Soho.
wait. Let me
Like
load
ang
it.
gabi ng lagim.
Oh my gosh.
Ng lagim.
They are really
Ng lagim.
updated.
It's for Halloween.
It's like a night of lagim.
Yeah.
There's a lot of soko, ipaglaban mo. You can
What
watch
the?
No,
It's for
Hoy!
crime.
Oh, it's crime. Gabi ng lagim.
Teka
You
lang,
should watch
teka
that.
lang. Ano bang nire-recommend nyo sa kanya? Okay, kalmahan natin at nagkakagulo. Naguguluhan din ako actually. So, sige, magkagulo kayo dyan.
To hear some stories about
Okay. I will make sure I watch that. How does it feel right now with all this newfound success? Have you guys adapted to this life yet, or how's it been?
Oh. Have we adapted?
Okay, so that clips, ano lang ba yun? Parang teaser. Okay, kasi medyo nawindang ako. At yun agad yung pasok. Anyway, sige. So, go ahead, Beanie.
I think we always try every day to make it seem normal, like everything happening. But honestly, we're just very grateful and blessed that we have many, many blessings and projects. And now we have Coachella coming up. So we're just focusing on being grateful.
still overwhelming, but we're still hungry for growth.
Yeah.
I think that's the most important thing.
And you guys mentioned Coachella. Everyone knows now by now, and you guys probably soaked it all in. You guys are the first Filipino group to be at Coachella. Who are
Right.
you excited to meet? Because there's gonna
Baby.
be so many celebrities there.
Big Bang!
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Justin Bieber!
Justin Bieber, yes.
Carpenters, Cat's Eye,
Baby!
Leaving
Central Pink Panthers!
Damn, Central C. There's so many.
And Beanie!
And Beanie.
So let's talk about the album Flames. You have the album now, and a lot of
I
people
love
I saw in the
Flames.
comments, people are like they wanted you to bring back like your Tagalog songs. What do you say to those fans? Because they love both versions,
Right.
but some of them are really like they really want to hear your Tagalog version. How do you feel when you hear that?
I think we're not
Scared?
we're not scared to go back. Like we're just trying to make more and more music for them to feel that we are not just boxed in this concept that we're just gonna make Tagalog songs
Mhm.
forever. Yeah, forever. We try to explore more genres,
Right.
more kind of songs. It is our first time that we make this kind of album that very laid back. It's just very chill. There's not a lot of belting in some songs, so I hope they loved it. But the Tagalog songs will always come back because that's who we are. That's Beanie.
Yes.
And just wait, just wait.
There's more.
I saw that on your recent show. Pablo and Justin were there.
Hey. I love
From
that.
SB19. How were you guys able to speak after?
Yeah! we gave them bananas and
Why?
fruits. They were hungry. They were asking
Oh.
and it was traffic from the venue going back to
Manila.
Manila.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
for sure they needed food.
Yeah, I
And
know.
yeah, we're grateful that they
Yeah, they
attended
want.
the concert
Yeah.
because we know that they also have
Schedule.
schedule
Commitment.
coming up, but they chose to watch us. So we are
Oh.
so grateful for Kuya Pablo and Kuya Ja, and I hope we can watch their show.
Yes.
Right.
Have you guys watched Physical Asia?
Yes, I have.
Did you finish it? Did you finish it?
No, that's the episodes.
Yes.
Yo, and
Ang
when
Mika
Pacquiao was there, you
Luino.
can see how everyone was like they admired
Oh
him.
my
Like, he's like, you
gosh.
know, he's a
The
and
aura.
that's gonna be you guys.
Aura.
That's gonna be you guys to the
Wow.
people as you keep going. I can see it. Who would be able to do Physical Asia out of this group?
Oh,
This
I
one.
think
Mika
yeah.
Oh.
Joanna. Oh,
Joanna.
Show them your physical Asia. Show them your physical touch.
Physical touch.
Just her. Just her. She represents us.
he'll represent the Philippines.
What the?
Represents the
Oh
Philippines.
my
The
gosh.
next Heidi Lindia.
No, come
Have you guys
on.
met Pacquiao?
No, not yet.
Soon.
Soon.
What do each of you like to do in your spare time? And this is something that they don't know that you like to do. Hobby.
I think they know everything about us.
They know everything about.
They do everything.
Oh,
We did?
They don't know everything.
It's okay, just tell them.
Yeah, go.
They know everything about Joanna.
Yeah.
We usually sleep to recharge, and some of us
Just rot in bed.
do
Errands.
errands and some sporty stuff.
Yeah.
Rest day is laundry day for some of us.
I want to end it off with playing charades. Are you guys good?
Yes, let's do it.
We'll think of a word in our minds, and then we'll try to make you guess it.
Food.
Food. Yeah,
Food.
food.
Okay, let's do food.
We go first.
I can hear you guys.
I can hear you guys.
I heard Dinoguan.
Oh,
Dinuguan.
Ano Dinoguan? Yeah. Okay.
Actions na lang.
Okay, soup. Oh.
Okay,
Sour?
okay, okay.
Yes!
Gang, gang.
What the?
Gang.
Yeah.
It's a
Filipino. Oh.
Easy. Sinigang. Sinigang?
Oh, right.
Sini!
Okay, hold on.
What the heck?
Wait,
Yes!
my turn, okay?
Gang, 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 ang
Um,
putik.
Dinuguan.
Not yet, not yet.
Okay.
Wala pa nga eh,
Okay,
Maloy.
Look at this.
One word. One word.
Nakakaloka.
Hotdog.
Food. Oh, right.
Let's
Oh, nice. Feeling ko, Jo, dun mo nakuha sa kanya yung paggulong mo dun sa Sterling Pan Meat, no? Pag lechon, ganun pala. Dapat umiikot ka.
Ayun yung spaghetti.
You're so good,
Let's run.
You're so good.
Why
Okay.
are they doing that?
Rachel, you're so funny doing this. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Sabi ko na eh.
And
Kaya pala ang saya nila at sobrang chaotic. What? Ang kulit.
When you come to Toronto, let's meet up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go back.
Toronto.
And play charades again.
Yes.
Yes, please. You guys are making fun of me for doing this, eh?
Oh my gosh. Tawan-tawa rin siya. What the? That's all? That's it? Oh man. So that was so fast. Bitin? Bitin tayo dun ah. So, give me more those kind of interviews or basta pagdating talaga sa mga laro, hindi mo mapapakalma yung Bini. Ang papalit nila eh. So, I want more content like that. So, lumalabas talaga yung pagiging chaotic ng Bini pagdating sa mga ganyan. Anyway, I really enjoyed that. Medyo bitin ako. So, Much Music, thank you for that. I hope you have more that kind of interview with Bini. So, that's it. See you on my next reaction video. Thank you guys. Bye.